It's a lovely day. Good morning. Wish Greg a happy birthday. Don't worry, I'll give him a kiss when I see him.
Oh, tell Laura I'm looking forward to that.
You obviously had a nice dinner time with Jill, so he hasn't changed on that.
It's day 7. So we had the big wall-to-wall ride yesterday. That's over and done. So it's officially wall-to-wall finish. So we're going to meet my sister Kath for breakfast in about an hour and a half, hour and a bit. Bikes are all packed. Christopher's Indian Scout, beautiful bike. My Tiger, Craig's Tiger. And we're going to ride from here in Canberra down to Jindabyne, only a short day. And that's what we're going to do. So catch everybody later. I'll get him some Breakfast with the sister, brother-in-law, niece, nephew-in-law, and my sister's grandkids. And it's wonderful. We left Canberra after my birthday breakfast and we're in Cooma for a leg stretch. And here's the park. So it looks like some Sunday morning activities, so we'll go over and check it out. So let's wander over. Righto, so we've got the Snowy Mountains Regional Council, Country Labor, vote yes. I guess somewhere here would be the no vote. Cooma Golf Club, Cooma Golf Club. Fireys, Fire and Rescue. Dogs, God. Slides. Got the lot. Man over here with his 3 pooches, beautiful dogs. Anyway, leg stretch and back on the bike. What are we having, Craig?
Well, so I found out we're having a beanie.
And what's a beanie?
Apparently it's whatever it is you want it to be. I don't know. I'm still very confused about the beanie.
A beanie's when you go and have a feast.
Oh, feast.
You go down to the cafe, and then when I was a boy in Marie, you could have chocolate milkshakes. If you had enough money, you get a chocolate milkshake, you get a paddle pop, maybe a hamburger, or a bag of lollies for sixpence, and that was a beanie, a feast.
Essentially, we're having a fancy takeaway that we have to put together ourselves.
Yeah, and what did you call it in New Zealand? A beanie. What did you call it?
Takeaways.
A takeaway. God, no imagination. Bloody God Almighty. All right, so our beanie. Look at Christopher over here.
Yeah, look, we have beautiful Australian prawns.
And he's
Banana prawns, they
So,
are.
and
Then
spread
we're
them
going
out
to
and make
have
them look flash.
calorie conscious lemon herb chicken, and
Christopher's
look
having
at this. To finish off, Gregory and I are sharing lovely Australian strawberries, and
Yeah.
we've got fresh Australian cream to have on them.
Good.
And maybe a coffee or a tea with it. What
Right.
more could a man want?
Right, I'll tell you what more a man could not want. Bloody rabbit food that Craig's having. Look at
that.
this.
Basil, pesto,
Tomato.
pasta salad, tomatoes,
What's this? Cheese.
Cheese, yeah.
Cheese.
and a lovely pesto salad. Look at that.
So he's having rabbit food. Look at what I'm having. I've got this
2-minute noodles.
gorgeous 2-minute noodles with Australian roast beef. I've got some wheat bix because I love wheat bix. I can have some of them after the main course. I've got a bagel. I'm going to have a bagel. I'll still some for breakfast. Butter. Got to have butter to spread on the bagels. Bananas, definitely for breakfast tomorrow with our wheat bix. And look at dessert. Look, muesli bars, honey to put on the bagels. It's a feast. It's a feast. And Chris has even got us some salt and what is it? Salt, sea salt, potato chips. That's empty. So,
And I'm trying to keep them healthy by insisting that we have A2 milk.
oh,
So that these.
so we got low cal milk. You chose that too, didn't you?
These. I'm
Look at
trying
that.
to drop these two, considering one of them's reached the 7 decades, so dropping off the perch earlier.
So this is a big birthday feast beanie for me. Okay, bye.